In this episode, we'll create the pump head and the flanges for our pump family. The pump head consists of two main parts, the suction head and the discharge head. Begin by drawing the suction head using the revolve tool. Next, switch to the front view. You'll notice that there are now many overlapping lines, making it difficult to work on new geometry. To make the workspace clearer, here's a helpful tip: isolate only the part you need. Go to the reference plane, create a section view, and adjust the direction and size of the view area so that it contains only the suction head. Then right-click and choose Go to View. Now your viewport displays just the portion you need to focus on. Select the Sweep tool, then set the work plane by choosing Pick a Plane. Go to the reference level and pick the plane that passes through the center of the pipe. Return to the section view to start drawing. Click on Sketch Path and draw a spline that follows the curve of the suction pipe as closely as possible. Adjust the two top points so they align straight with the vertical plane. Next, select Profile, choose Edit Profile, and switch to the 3D view. Draw a circle with the same radius as the suction pipe, then click Finish. You can tweak the pipe's shape until it matches the reference image. Remember, this is just an exercise to help you practice using Revit tools. You don't need to model a real pump with precise mechanical details just yet. For now, it's enough to make it look close to the reference image. The next step is to draw the flanges. There are two flanges in total, one on the suction side and one on the discharge side. Open the reference image and refer to the dimension table, where the flange dimensions are already provided. Using the Revolve tool, draw the flange shape and adjust it to match the given dimensions. Then, create 8 cylinders using void extrusion to represent the bolt holes. Align the top and bottom of each cylinder with the height of the flange. Once finished, repeat the same process for the second flange. Finally, set parameters for the flanges and name them according to the dimensions table. And that completes the pump head and flanges of our pump family. By using tools like revolve, sweep, and void extrusion, you've learned how to model curved and detailed components accurately while keeping your workspace organized with section views. Remember, this exercise focuses on understanding how to control forms and geometry in Revit. Once you've mastered these tools, you'll be ready to create more complex and realistic mechanical parts.